Hey, welcome back team. Brendan from Strong Fencing and Gates, and we're looking today at this school fence. It's a pretty long one. It goes around here, heads down there, about 300 meters. And this is the heavy duty school panel. It's 1.8 high. I've showed you videos of this before, but it's got this 20mm vertical. You can see the 20mm. That, my friend, is not going to get bent by kids. That is going to be able to handle kids climbing soccer balls, frisbees, baseball bats, people riding into bikes. Probably can't handle a vehicle smashing into it, which has happened a few times, motorbikes and things like that, but really is a great option for school fencing. And you can see we've also got this matching sliding gate here, and this particular school has a high risk student that likes to run away. So we've been doing a lot of these sort of high risk type schools where we come in and we have to literally fence the whole entire school off. Excuse the wind as usual. So you can have a look around the side here. Goes down the front there, comes around. This is just one side of the school. You can see the gate has a keypad on it, and pretty handy for this is a utility gate. It's not going to be used on a regular basis. It's going to be closed most of the time, so it just has a couple of remotes and a keypad. And you see the keypad up on the post over here. We had to grind this driveway down here. You can see the grind marks. We've got a big hone blade on a grinder, and we try and make this as level as possible through here. It's not always possible, but we had existing concrete here, which is good. We didn't have to do much of that, but we did have to put in this little concrete return, which I've shown you probably before. It's just concrete board that has this aluminium strip connected down to it. And it's just to keep the soil, because the soil height is basically higher than this height here. We have to dig in and put a little retaining setup, and that's pretty typical. This one's actually run, this is a low voltage motor. It's a 24 volt TMT motor. We do all sorts of motors. This is a low cost option, but this one is actually, you can see we trenched it all the way over there, 80 meters. We did a trench, and we had a special machine come in here with a trencher, and we trenched along here. We ran it in orange electrical conduit, and it's about 200 deep. Doesn't have to be super deep for low voltage. Cut across the driveway over here, reinstated the asphalt, and you can see on the side of the building, way down there, there is an electrical box which backs onto the circuit board, and that thing there is waterproof. So it runs all the way down here, but the key is to use a 4mm cable. So a 4mm lighting cable is just 2 wires, but it's very, very robust cable, and that's what we use for these installations, so that they can carry the 24 volt transformer, can get all the way down here without much signal loss. So they always give you a little bit of extra juice at the transformer, so you might lose sort of half a volt or something like that, which is nothing. So I think they give you 27. By the time it gets here, it's still 24, so that's pretty good. These are what's called side mounted rollers, and also this is called, what do I call that? That's like a little strip that we put on top. Now the reason you want to do that is so that the roller touches the piece of flat on top, doesn't touch the gate, because you can imagine over time the roller will just wear the paint, the powder coating off the side. Pretty good powder coating, have a look at that. It's been professionally powder coated, so they put it through a little acid bath, dip it, and make it look really, really cool. So if you've got a school, or we do install these gates in residential settings, but if you have a school and you're looking for security options, have a chat with us. We can put you on to the right products and get you the best price. Awesome. Hey, hit us up. By the way, we've got a new website, strongfencing.co.nz. We've redesigned it. It's a work in progress, but